we go back the channel with Mr. Wasis Nuruddin. Okay, we will learn about the Bahasa English subject for junior high school, especially the material for today. Let's see. Okay, let's see for the material for today. We're talking about daily activities and events. Okay, okay. We will back together and we will be ready to learn together. Talking about daily activities. You know daily activities, that activities with what we do in every day. Usually we use the simple present tense. We use the simple present tense. What is simple present tense? Simple present tense is the pattern that we make a sentence usually in the present. It is used for general activities, general thought, habitual actions, mental states, and perception. Okay, thing to remember. Okay, everyone. Okay, thing to remember. Verb 1. Verb 1 atau verb 1. Dalam simple present tense, we use the verb 1 to go, to buy, to send, and etc. You can find out in your sentence, in your vocabularies. Okay. Linking verb or to be. Linking verb, M is R. Look at the following example. Look at the following example. General activity. Yeah, I have the sentence number 1. My sister plays the guitar. My sister is subject. Plays is verb 1 plus S, because my sister, he, she, yeah, my sister is the woman. So the verb plus S plays. The guitar is object. The second, Mr. Kurniawan manage the shop. Mr. Kurniawan is he. He kata ganti untuk dia laki-laki. And then plus verb 1 plus S, manage the shop. And then Ikram works for the Astra company. Okay, Ikram is nama orang, he or she. So verb 1 plus S for the Astra company is object. Okay, next, general thought. Number 1, water boils at 100 degrees. Water boils. Water subject boils is verb 1 plus S. Then the sun shines in the west. And then the sky is blue. Okay, easy, right? Okay. Penggunaan simple present tense. Okay, habitual action. Habitual action is daily activities that usually do for the student, or that we do in our daily activities. The students go to school every day. Pelajar pergi ke sekolah setiap hari. Jadi, the students plus verb 1 is go, and then to school every day. Every day is keterangan waktu, place of time. And then she drinks a cup of tea every morning. She plus verb 1 is drink plus s. A cup of tea every morning. Complement every morning is place is a adverb of time. And then he gets up early in the morning. Dia bangun pagi setiap pagi. Bangun lebih awal setiap pagi. Ya, he gets up. He plus get verb 1 s. And then verb of perception. Ya, persepsi. For example, we heard some noise in the hall. Kita mendengarkan bunyi-bunyian ya, suara di hall, ruangan. She smells something burning. Dia menghirup sesuatu yang terbakar. This medicine tastes awful. Okay. Verb of mental states. Ya. I believe he is right. Saya percaya dia benar. He knows the answer. Dia tahu jawabannya. We don't understand the question. Kita tidak tahu, tidak paham pertanyaannya. Okay, talking about events. Let's see. Usually we use the present progressive tense. Yeah, the present progressive tense, the activity is happening right now. At the time, at the present, the speaker is saying it. Jadi aktivitas yang terjadi pada saat ini, right now. Ya. Okay, things to remember. Again, the linking verb am is are plus verb 1 plus ing. Verb ing, verb 1 plus ing. Going, eating, buying, drinking, etc. You can find out. Okay. Let's see. Look at the following example. It is noon. Okay, it is noon. I'm eating lunch at the cafeteria right now. And then B. Honey cannot come to the pond right now because she is taking a shower. Honey tidak bisa telepon sekarang karena dia sedang mandi. Ya. Jadi untuk events, ya, kejadian yang berlangsung saat ini, ketika siang, ya, I'm eating lunch. Saya sedang makan siang. Okay, look at the following table. Simple present tense and present progressive. You can compare. You can look at the table here. Statement in simple present tense, for example, the subject, ya, for example, are you with they, and then verb satunya walk. I walk. Jadi simple present tense itu subject plus verb 1, and then subject he, she, it plus verb 1 ditambahkan s atau is. He walks. Kemudian di dalam present progressive, ya, yang sedang berlangsung, I'm walking. For example, subjeknya you with they. You with they are walking. I itu tunggal menggunakan am. They, you, we itu jamak atau plural menggunakan are, linking verbnya, atau to be. Kemudian verb 1 ing. Oke, paham ya sampai sini ya semuanya? Kita Kita lanjutkan. We continue. And then he see it. Ya, subjek he see it itu adalah tunggal. So linking verbnya menggunakan is atau to be-nya. Walking sama seperti verb 1 plus ing. Oke. Dalam bentuk negatif, in the negative form. Oke. Subjek I, you, we, they. I itu saya, you itu kamu, we kita, and they mereka. So the patterns plus do not walk. Okay, do not because negative form atau bentuk negatif, do not. And then verb 1 walk. I do not walk. I do not study. Okay, and then he see it adalah tunggal. So does plus s, do jadikan does not walk. Okay, sampai sini paham ya? Do you understood? Okay, we continue the present progressive. I am not walking. Ya, because I linking verbnya jadi am. Jadi I plus am plus negative form atau negative sentence-nya. I am not walking. Saya tidak sedang bekerja. And then subject you with they adalah plural atau lebih dari satu. Jamak ya. You are not walking. Kemudian he see it itu tunggal menggunakan is. Kata ganti dia perempuan, dia laki-laki. He untuk laki-laki, she untuk perempuan. Oke, sampai sini paham ya semuanya? We continue the question tag atau kalimat pertanyaan. Di dalam kalimat pertanyaan, jadi yang pertama rumusnya the patterns do plus subject. Ya, bukan subject plus do. Tetapi dalam question, dalam pertanyaan, ya bentuk pertanyaan, kalimat pertanyaan diawali dengan do atau does. Oke. Do untuk subjek I, you, we, they. And then does digunakan untuk subjek he, she, it. Oke. Do I walk? Do you walk? And then for does for subject he, she, it. Does he walk? Does she walk? Okay. And then we compare the present progressive. Subject I menggunakan am ya, because I itu tunggal ya, berdiri sendiri. I am or am I, bukan I am, tetapi dalam pertanyaannya linking verbnya itu harus di depan atau to be-nya am I walking, and then the subject you with they are itu untuk plural, lebih dari satu subjeknya. We kita kan lebih dari satu, they mereka juga sama lebih dari satu. Are they walking? Okay, next is digunakan untuk linking verb he, she, it. Kembali lagi untuk patternnya, rumusnya itu yang pertama menggunakan linking verb is, kemudian subject is he walking. Oke. Sampai di sini kalian paham ya? Do you understand about the material for today? Okay, about activities, daily activities and event. Okay, you can compare the daily activities, use the pattern simple present tense, and then the event menggunakan present progressive. Okay. Present progressive sama saja dengan simple present continuous tense ya. Okay, next exercise, latihan. Pertanyaan pertama, For question number 1 until 3, find the correct answer by circling A, B, C, or D. Jadi kalian itu pertanyaan pertama sampai 3 itu cari kata yang benar. Find the correct answer. Jawaban yang benar menggunakan lowongi, lingkari ya. A, B, C atau D. Yang pertama soalnya ya, question 1. Teacher, how do you go to school? Student, blah 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 blah. Which one the correct answer? Okay. A, B, C, or D? Let's see. Okay. The correct answer is A. Why A? I take a bus. How do you go to school? Ya, bagaimana kamu pergi ke sekolahnya? Dengan apa berarti? I take a bus. Saya menggunakan bis. Ya. Jadi karena di sini penjelasannya, explanationnya ya, it asks about your daily habit. Jadi kebiasaan ya, kebiasaan keseharian yang ditanyakan. Oke, kembali lagi. Next, Nina, what does a teacher do? Apa yang dilakukan gurumu, Kathy, bla 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 bla. Nah, untuk answernya ya, which one the best answer or the correct answer? A, B, C, or D? Let's see. The answer key answer is B. Why B? She usually explain the lesson to the student. Ya, dia biasanya menjelaskan pelajaran ke pelajar, ke siswa atau siswi. Okay. Explanation-nya nih, because it asks about what a teacher habit, kebiasaan yang dilakukan oleh guru. Okay, next. Color. Can I speak to Lia? Dapatkah saya berbicara dengan Lia? Resepsionisnya, I'm afraid. Saya takut. Bla 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 bla. Color. When will she back? Kapan dia kembali? Kemudian resepsionisnya, at 1 o'clock can I take a message? Pada jam 1 ya, dapat saya pesankan. Keller, no, thanks, I will call her back later. Jadi terima kasih, saya akan panggil dia kembali lagi nanti. Jawaban yang benar yang mana? Sesuai dengan dialog yang sebelumnya. Okay, the answer key is A. She is having a meeting. Dia sedang meeting. Karena menanyakan Keller what Lias ya. Keller ask what Lias. Okay, question number 4 until 7. Find one word or phrase that is not correct. Frase yang tidak sesuai atau kata-kata yang tidak sesuai. Do you believe in flying saucer? What did you talking about? I think it's only your imagination. The answer is B. Yang tidak sesuai ya, is not correct. B. What did? Karena di sini penjelasannya ya, kita lihat explanationnya. Santi ask what Danny is talking about. Santi itu bertanya apa yang tentang Denny bicarakan at the moment, pada waktu saat ini. At the moment, so B, the answer is B. Okay, because it's not correct. The moment is sekarang. Okay. And then what do you do when you are nervous? Apa yang kamu lakukan ketika kamu merasa gugup? When I'm nervous, I'm beating my nails. Ketika saya nervous, saya memakan tangan saya ya. The answer is D. Nails itu kuku, maaf. Oke, kita mengulas kembali. When I'm nervous, I'm beating my nails. Oke, nails itu kuku. Menggigit, beating ya. So we have to fun, right? We have to fun because English is fun. Don't worry, because we are still learning together. Okay. Explanation, because it's asks about habit. So the habit, kebiasaan, ya. Next, why are you smile? Mengapa kamu tertawa? I'm smiling because I'm happy, karena saya senang. Ya, so I always smile when I'm happy. Jadi saya selalu tertawa ketika saya senang, gembira. Nah, father, what's Mayang doing? Mother, blah blah blah. That's strength. She never cleans her room. Okay, the answer is blah 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 blah. Mother, ya. Which one? The correct answer? A, B, C, or D? Okay, let's see. The answer is K answer, ya, C. She is cleaning her room. Yeah. Why the answer is C? Let's see. Okay, the explanation. Father asked about Mayang's activities. Jadi ayahnya itu menanyakan tentang aktivitasnya Mayang. So the answer is C. She is cleaning her room. What Mayang doing? Apa yang sedang dilakukan Mayang? Nah, dia sedang membersihkan ruangannya. Okay, sampai sini paham semuanya? Do you understand? Okay, next. Okay, I think enough for today, ya. Please, you have to remember what we learned before about the daily activities and event. So, thank you very much, and see you later in another opportunity. Thank you very much. Bye bye.